Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys keyboard sound guys. How can we enable it? Friends, we want to enable guys your Samsung phone guys keyboard sound. So how can you enable to friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable guys Samsung phone guys keyboard sound guys and how can we use it? So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your Samsung phone setting guys. So we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on phone sound and vibration guys, click on sound and vibration. Again scroll guys, click on system sound setting. Thanks you can see Samsung keyboard guys, we will enable from here. After enable guys, how can we use it? So as you can see guys, your Samsung phone guys keyboard sound guys is enabled. So we can use like that Samsung phone keyboard sound. So like that guys, we can enable Samsung phone keyboard sound guys and guys we can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to enable Samsung phone keyboard sound and how to use it. So bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet in next video. Bye guys.